In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger not working problem, Messenger not opening problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, make sure that you are using Messenger latest version. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for Messenger app. Now click on Messenger. Now up to date your Messenger if available any update version. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for Messenger app. Click on Messenger. Click on Port Stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now must restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Messenger app. And log into your account. Click on save. Not now. Not now. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger not working problem, Messenger not opening problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.